Hey guys, just going to look at some charts from today. I didn't trade much. I traded it open. I'm going to go over BMR. That's the pre-market I did today. We're going to go back to the 1 minute. Sometimes I go 15-second at the open. So this was an after hours gainer, basically downtrending, and it looked like it was the only stock today. So this was the after hours yesterday, 3 nice run-ups. And then we're just looking for it to base, and it started basing right around here. So I'm going to go through all the little things that I start looking at. It's basing right here, and then this is the next level it's going to have to be. So right here, these are the 2 lines it's going to have to go down and then break through. Now you could have had the VWAP break. Real volume didn't pop in until right around here. So right here, if you'd have got this little breakout, these 2 tops right here broke down, we got all of this run right here in pre, and then we got the opening run right here over this right here. So I'm going to draw it for you. That was the same level I was looking. Let me go ahead and get rid of this one right here. So it hit 2 targets. I'm out. Here's the double top, looking down, got right here, got in one more time right here, almost the same exact level. And look, it went all the way back down to the bottom. Same exact level, took a target 1 trade, I'm out. I did take another target trade when it proved itself over target 1 just for about half of that move. I didn't go for the whole move because obviously sellers are in control there, but still a move that I know. And then I got off and started working. But if I wasn't working, I would have stayed right here and I would have taken this trade right here. Let me move this down a tad. Let me get rid of these 2. Maybe you can see it. Right here, sorry about that. Right here, you can see the uptrend, target 1, pullback, target 2, and then just fade away the rest of the day. That was the last bit of grind. I know all those trades. I'll take every one of them. And then right here, I'm going to just go down the line. Don't see many. And this is all hopefully still pre-market. Yeah, I think that was the only one really focused on. I'm going to go ahead and go to 1 day. I think we had a couple good runs. Had a couple of guys killing one, DDC. You'll see these making really easy moves. This is probably the easiest one right here. Right here, it went up, pulled back, tested, and then broke. Slowly grinded up to target 1. Should be out by then, and then see if it can re-break. Did hit target 2, did touch it one more time. And then good. That's a good chart though. And then let's see if it's holding its gains for tomorrow. What I'm looking at for gains is pretty much right here at that level right here. So this, yep. So I'm going to set some alerts here for tomorrow. Okay, and then I'm going to go LGVN. They just had an after hours runner. We just got a couple scalps at the very end. Kind of not the best plays if you see some indicators. But basically right here, you're going to start seeing these lines of confluency right here, where these lines are sitting here kind of making it 200,000-300,000 shares. Now it runs up on 1 million shares to the next level. Then it just breaks down, starts over here one more time, goes right to that same level. So basically, this is where the buyers were holding enough, buyers were going up, and then they sell back down. Buyers buy, and then nobody's selling enough. And then eventually when they don't sell enough, they have to break this price right here. So I'm going to draw that line for you. They're going to have to beat that price. And after 1, that's the height, same height over here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. Eventually it did go right here. And then another one after hours right here. So sometimes you got to be a little patient. You know, this person saying, I'm going to get the break of the high of the day, didn't end well for that person. This is a 40-cent move down. So, you know, when it first tests previous, I don't take it. Also, it looks a little overbought at the time. But eventually, right here is very good. Your stop loss would be less than this stop loss because you would have to do your nearest low. There's really not a nearest low there. Just straight up grind. So, and if you'd have taken it, you probably would have got stopped out. So the next trade would have been best to just let it keep pushing that area because, you know, people got out here last time, failed there. But now it's failing a lot less each time, and then eventually right here I'll finish the bottom. The buyer said I'm willing to pay more for the price, and then when they finally come to a disagreement, it has to go up because there are no shares lower. All right, going to check out a couple more real quick. DCRT. That's a good chart. I didn't get to trade this at all. Very low volume, but not bad, not bad, not bad. They start running it up here a little bit. And I hope everybody made a lot of money on that. Look at Cavill. Somebody said that. Yes. That must be a low folk grinder right here. Just a big run up right here. Yeah, that's just somebody playing with somebody else. So let's look how I would draw my fibs right here. I would have drawn it just like this. Target 1, easy trade. Target 1 broke. Target 2, target 3, target 4. This is all extra, and it's probably going to be a low float. Yeah, 2 million. Oh, no, under $1 million. So that's kind of why, because the rotation of the float, people hold on the shares, and they know they can hold on to them. Now, here's the 50% pullback. I'll show you what that means. It's right here on this whole move. It pulls right back in the middle and goes one more time. So once I see a move, that's kind of where I'm looking at. For another remove, get a little easy bear flag, pretty long bear flag, and then right here it just tried and failed, but it did hold that line right here, and then it didn't. So these are just momentum plays of the day. That's all you can do. I'm gonna look at after hours. I'm sure it's gonna be LGVN. Yes, just run it up. Just somebody else right here, 4 million shares, just running it up in those key levels. So if you're looking at those key levels, this would be one. This would be another one when it finally spiked up. And I can play indicators all day and win at this every time. So if you need some private lessons, reach out. Pretty easy plays, even if it's choppy, you can just get little sections of this. This is the easy section, that's an easy section. Even in here, if you're playing the right method and you know what to look for. And then this is obviously easy. That's a 3 run up, pullback, 3 run up, pullback. So it should be fading pretty soon. If not, it's just buyers are holding the shares and not selling them. So maybe the news is that good enough to hold as a swing trade. Hey, y'all have a good day. Today is Wednesday. So y'all have a great day. Thank you so much.